kit review is of the Lamborghini Countach, and it is a 1/32 scale model by Monogram, and this is a Snap-Tite model. So usually these models, there's not a lot of detail, you don't need glue or paint, you kind of just throw it together. This is a picture of the model. Here's some more pictures. I bought this used. Actually, it was kind of partially put together online. Some details about the car. And the reason why I wanted this car was to get a body to be able to make a slot car. So as you can see here, this is used. There's the body, typical Countach lines. It's a little dirty, it's going to need to be cleaned up and painted. Looks like we might be missing a side mirror there. Here's the chassis, which we probably won't end up using, but it's been painted already. And over here we have the inside is the cockpit, partially painted. There's the top of the dashboard. The dash cover, here's the dashboard. So that'll go together like that. And we'll need to get painted. Here's our Lamborghini glass. The half window that rolled down. It's a little dusty. We've got some wheels, which we won't end up using. We have some decals, not used, good condition, and then all the other models that Monogram offered. And here is the instructions. I've got paint colors needed. Start off with the dashboard, put that into the cockpit with the lever that's already been put on there for the stick shift. Next we put the glass inside, and then mount the cockpit inside the body. The wheels are put on, and then it's all mounted to the chassis. Put the wing on, that's already been done. And then side mirrors, which unfortunately we're missing on that side. And decals. So I'll make a separate video on how I make this into a slot car. But we'll get the body ready and paint it up.